Now see, today we will see how to find a square and a square root. Okay, now first we will see how to find a square. Okay, whenever we need to find the square, what we need to do, that we need to multiply a particular thing, whether it is a number or whether it is a letter, with a particular, with the same, then we can get the square. For example, if I have to find the square of 5. Okay, so what is my step? 5 multiplied by 5, which will gives me 25. So I can write the square of 5 is 25. Okay, with the same, if I have to find the square of x, so I will be multiplying x with x. So 2 times x is there, so x square. Getting? Or you can find the square of x square y. Now this is my term, x square y. So how I will find? X square y multiplied by x square y, which is equal to, now this 2 times x, this 2 times x. So we are having total 4 times x with us. Now this 1 time y it is, 1 time y it is. So we will be having 2 times y. Okay, so this is how you can find the square of a number also, and for the letter also. This we will be useful in the algebraic equations also, and whenever we are finding the area of a square, particularly in the perimeter area chapter, there is also, because the area of a square is nothing but side square. Okay, side into side means the same number we have to multiply 2 times. So there these two concepts will be useful for in that chapters. Now we will see how to find and square root. What we need to find? How to find and square root. I hope everybody knows how to find a factor. So because from the factors only we are going to find the square of a particular, square root of a particular number or particular thing. Now we need to find how to find a square root. Okay, now first we will take the example 144. Okay, this is 144 is my first example. Now find the roots of this. Okay, find the factors of this. So we know 16 nines are, I can write it as a 144. Okay, which is nothing but equal to, I can write 16, I can split up into the terms 4 multiplied by 4. Okay, and 9 I can split up into 3 multiplied by 3. Further it can be divisible, yes. Further it will be 4 multiplied by 4, sorry, 2 multiplied by 2. This 4 also can be split up into 2 multiplied by 2, and this 3 multiplied by 3 will be come down as it is. This will be coming as it is. Okay, now the square root of 144, this sign is nothing but of a square root. So I will write under square root 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 into 3. Whatever terms I have written, that terms I have noted down. Now removing square root. 144 का square root निकालना मतलब हमको पहले ये remove करना पड़ेगा. So when we are going to remove this sign, that time what will happen? Whatever terms are there. Now how many times 2 is there? 4 times 2 is there. So take a half down. 4 times 2 है तो 4 के half होते हैं 2 times. तो 2 times हमने 2 नीचे ले लिए, multiplied. Now here 2 times 3 is there, so take up 1. So this is now become 2 2s are 4, this is 3, and this is how we can find the square root. Now I can say 144 का square root क्या है? 12. अब cross check करना है, so you can cross check it like this also. 12 multiplied by 12. 12 2s are 24, carry 2, 12 1s are 12, 12 plus 2, 14. So this is how we will get it back. Okay, this is for the numbers. Okay, one more example I will take, 225. Now find the factors of 225. Now 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, means this number is divisible by 3 also, and down last unit number is 5, so it will be divisible by 5 also. So start with the 5. 45 5s are 225, which is equal to, now 5, this is 5 multiplied by 9, right? 9 5s are 45. These are the factors, and this 5 will be coming as it is down. Now 5 will be as it is, this 5 will be as it is, and this 9 will be split up into 3 into 3. After this, any further segregation is possible? No. So find the square root of 225, which is nothing but under root of 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. So which is equal to 5 5 1 5 is coming out, 3 3 1 3 will be coming out. Hence it is nothing but a 15. And you can cross check also, 15 15 you will get a 225. right? This is about the how to find the square root of a number. Now we will see how to find the square root when a letters are given to us. Okay, now see here, I will take x raised to 4 y square, right? We need to find. Now first write in the factors format, x raised to 4, so 4 times x will going to come, multiplied by y into y, because y is 2 times. Now we are going to do it, स्क्वायर रूट निकालना है तो स्क्वायर रूट का साइन दे दो. नाउ 4 times x is there, so उसका half 2 times x will come out. 2 times y is there, so 1 time y will be come out of the square root sign. Now it will become x square because 2 times x is there multiplied by y, so which is nothing but x square y. This is how we can find the square root of a letters. Okay, there is one more shortcut term how to find the square root of letters. Whatever power is of letter uska half kar do, so you will get a directly square root. Okay, or else iska agar square nikalna hai to iske powers ko double kar do, so you will get a square. Okay, this is how we can find the square root of the numbers and letters.